the most important risk factor is the human papillomavirus. High risk HPV-16 has been detected in almost 90% of the cases of squamous cell carcinoma of the anus. So, what are the risk factors associated with cancers of the anal canal? The most important risk factor is the human papillomavirus. High risk HPV-16 has been detected in almost 90% of the cases of squamous cell carcinoma of the anus. Anal cancer, now considered to be a predominantly HPV related cancer, has an incidence 15 times higher in homosexual men than in the heterosexual men. In most cases, anal infection with HPV is sexually transmitted, and the risk for cancer is increased in patients with a history of receptive anal intercourse in women and homosexual activity in men. It is also shown that women with high-grade cervical or vulvar dysplasia are more susceptible to develop anal cancer as cervical or vulvar HPV infection escalates anal HPV infection risk. The next factor is the immunosuppression. The most important thing to be noted here is in HIV positive patients, microsatellite instability is the mechanism, whereas chromosomal instability is the mechanism to develop anal canal cancer in normal patients. Organ transplant patients are also affected with anal canal cancer. All immunocompromised patients have an increased rate of anogenital HPV infection, leading to increased rate of anal intraepithelial neoplasia or carcinoma. And the rates of spontaneous regression of this infection are also lower in immunosuppressed individuals. Another important factor is the HIV infection. The incidence of anal canal cancer in patients who are infected with HIV is estimated to be twice that of HIV negative patients. Highly active antiretroviral therapy, that is HAART, HAART, has resulted in patients with HIV living longer and the development of related malignancies. In contrast to other HIV associated malignancies, the incidence of anal canal cancer has actually increased following the implementation of HAART, that is highly active antiretroviral therapy. According to the American Society of Colon and Rectal Surgeons, ASCRS, the risk factors other than HIV and HPV infections include the following, that is age more than 55 years, so almost 67% of the patients, they are aged more than 55 years. Smoking, there are reports that demonstrate smoking is a risk factor for the development of anal canal cancer. The risk of anal cancer appears to be related to the pack year history of smoking, with more extensive histories associated with a higher risk. Immunosuppression. Solid organ transplant recipients with chronic immunosuppressive therapy, they have a 6 times higher risk to develop anal canal cancer as compared to the general population. And benign anal lesions are no longer thought to contribute to the development of this disease, although anal cancers are frequently misdiagnosed as these conditions.